Hi, I'd like to talk to you for a second about using PowerPoint with Blackboard Collaborate after the recent update of Office 2016 on the Mac. Of course, Office works really well on the Mac, but in this newest update, there's a little problem that we have when importing PowerPoint into the Collaborate system. Let me demonstrate what happens. We have a Collaborate session opened, and we'll go ahead and say load content, and here we'll now select uh, a PowerPoint presentation. Now when we say open, we will select PowerPoint as the tool for the conversion. We'll say load. PowerPoint is started. I see my new icon for the 2016 version, but I'm also presented with a number of pop-ups. And as I am responding to these pop-ups, time is passing. And Blackboard Collaborate in the background has only so much time allotted for waiting for this to happen. And so if I do not respond to some of these questions in a timely manner, then the system will time out and my conversion will be unsuccessful. And if I say allow, notice that the pop-up continues to come back. Now at some point, you might choose to say always allow. Yeah, that works all right. But now, as far as all we can see, nothing is happening. Well, at the bottom of my screen, there's the PowerPoint icon jumping up and down. And so it's up to us, the end user, to select it in order to see the rest of the process. And as you can see, there are additional questions here that we are prompted with. Now, again, if we do not do this in time, I am going to cancel mine. You will see this error message, failure calling PowerPoint, and we basically are told that the process did not work. So let's see how we can make this process work. Now, I'll say right away that this does not work as expected for the end user. So we're not saying that this is the perfect way to run software, but I'm going to demonstrate the workaround on how to make it work. So we'll go to load content. We will go ahead and select our PowerPoint and select PowerPoint as the tool. And the key is basically to answer the questions posted in a timely manner. We will not know that the questions are posted until we click on this jumping up and down icon. So that's what I'll do. I'll say grant access one more time. And I'm going to monitor my icon because the next question, when it is asked, it might be behind the actual PowerPoint. And it appears right here. We'll go ahead and say select. I will say grant access. And now the magic is happening. And momentarily we will see the conversion. All right, and so now the Collaborate system is handling it. So again, this is not the way we would like to see software run. And Blackboard recognizes this as a known issue. We call this a reported problem. And we just want you to know what the workaround is, to pay attention to the jumping icon, and hopefully you'll be able to make this work. Perhaps another way to work with this problem would be to take a PowerPoint, then export it to PDF, and then import PDF into Collaborate instead of playing here with the PowerPoint problem. So thank you very much, and I hope that you will enjoy using Collaborate.